Assalamu guys, Fahad back again with another video, and in this video we will be discussing the tangent function, and this is another video in the series that we have started, in which we are doing individual videos on each individual function of Excel. So this is what the graph of tangent looks like. In this video also, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be utilizing this right angle triangle that we have used in the previous videos. So let's get started. Now, we know from high school math that tangent of an angle is the opposite angle divided by the adjacent angle. Okay, so we are going to first use the function to calculate the tangent, and then we'll then we use the method that we learned in high school and see if they add up or if they match up. So let's start. And once again, remember that angles in Excel are always in radians and not in degrees. Okay, so the way you do tangent is TAN. Again, there are two types: the regular kind, the regular tangent, and the hyperbolic. We are just doing the regular tangent right now. We will be doing the hyperbolic later on in the video. Okay, then it's asking for the number, and like I said, it's expecting the angle to be in radius, so we use this figure down here, 0.6435. 6435. Okay, hit enter, and that gives you the tangent 0.749998. Now let's see if this actually matches up with what we have learned in high school, which is basically the side opposite of to the angle that you're calculating the tan of divided by the other side, because you don't use the hypotenuse, you use the adjacent side. So it will be 3 upon 4, so that gives you 0.75, so it's almost equal. If you round it off, you'll get the same value. So that's essentially how you would use the tan function to calculate the tangent of an angle. We use this a lot in maths and in engineering. So this is the video on how to do the how to calculate tangent function using Excel. And once again, I repeat, angles are in radians, and if you have angles that are in degrees, you have to first convert them into radians and then use the tan function. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please kindly give it a thumbs up, and if you have any comments, leave them down in this comment section below, and do subscribe to this channel, and make sure you hit that bell icon so you'll get updates on any new videos that get uploaded. Thank you.